Welcome back to another episode of Murph Reviews, and today I will be unboxing something special today. A little Merry Christmas to myself. So, let's get started. Today and got myself a nice little Christmas present. So let's start. So before I get started, I actually put out a short little vlog of a very short quick unboxing because I was lazy. But so let's start out with that. So start out with these AirPod Pros, which are pretty awesome. But if you want to see the unboxing of the quick little bit of it, you can go see the last video. Put that over here. Now we'll put it over here. There we go. So next, we have the bad boy. The iPad Pro 12.9 inch. So let's see. Honestly, from the first vlog that I had with the AirPods Pro, I honestly had too much fun taking off the plastic and with the little tab on it. I don't get a whole lot of Mac products. I mean, now I do. I mean, I got my Apple Watch, got the Apple phone that I'm actually recording off of. Now I got the AirPods Pro, I got a MacBook, and now I've got this bad boy. All right, so let's get this started. So my first reactions, this is pure. So. Ooh, yeah. Throw that over there. All right. I feel like we need some music playing, like, oh, my terrible voice, but it's all okay. I gotta bring it on closer for this one. Hold on. I mean, look at that. Wow. I'm actually kind of surprised. It's not as, I thought it was gonna be heavier. But put this aside for a second. And I'll put you back up. Back to the program. This bad boy. Like I said, it's pretty light. I'm actually surprised. So. But yeah. So let's put that to the side, see if we can't turn it on. Does it have any juice? Oh, I'm so geeked. Alright, so now that's turned on. Let's see. Got a little paperwork. Let's see what's going on with this iPad Pro. All those things going on, yada yada. All I want to know is if I'm getting stickers. Do I get stickers? I do, but I can't get them out. It's a shame. There they go. Infamous stickers. All right, so that's it. It looks like it's no more lightning cable. It is now USB-C all the way, if you can see that. Yeah, USB-C with the quick charger. Yeah. So this off to the side. So while I'm getting the iPad together, I also picked up the Apple Pencil. So go ahead and do the opening of this bad boy. Paperwork I don't particularly care about. And the new bad boy. No! Luckily there's nothing important in there. But bam, look at that. Oh. This is about to be good. So there's the new Apple Pencil. So there's all that. And the thing that I dropped was my, if I can only put it up here right, is the OtterBox Symmetry 360. So. Yeah, pretty easy. It covers all the way around. It actually has a see-through back. I didn't know that, so I get to actually look at my space gray that I got. But I'll put this on iPad, get it all started, and then see what else can go on with this for the night. Oh yeah, and the AirPods. Been rocking around with these for a couple of days. Well, really a day. 2 days. Anyway. There's these bad boys. So open them up. The little all the little memes and stuff about it. But honestly, I like these bad boys. I mean, they're pretty cool. I mean, I have them fitted to the right. So if you can hear me now, this is actually off of the AirPods Pro. So let me know down in the comments how the audio is compared to what my regular audio is, which I already know kind of sucks. So this should be a like bump up on it. But yeah, let me take this out again. Okay. So remember, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you know what to do. Please leave a like or comment. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.